Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some fall and winter hairstyle ideas. First up, we have a hair transformation. So the stylist is cutting some bangs here to frame out the face. Gorgeous. She ends up getting this beautiful volumized layered haircut. And then we jump right into transformation number 2. It looks like she is getting a bob for this one. She has this really pretty copper color to her hair. Ooh, I love the bangs in the front. So much fullness. This is a gorgeous modern bob style. In love. So chic and polished. So moving on to transformation number 3. Looks like she's also getting some layers for this one. Gorgeous. Now this is an instant way to add some volume and some just overall chicness to the hair, getting the layered style. Moving on to transformation number 4. It looks like she might also be getting some layers with this one. And if you haven't noticed, layered hairstyles are a great way to shake up some boring strands, do something different. Beautifully done. What's great about layered hairstyles too is that if you go to the correct stylist, they are going to frame your face perfectly with the way that they lay the layers out. Here we have someone getting a bob. She has the bangs going with this one as well. So this is more of like a layered bob style. And it's just around the shoulders. Next up, looks like we have another hairstyle featuring bangs. Oh, wow. Her hair looks so volumized. I love the fullness within this layered cut. And a stunning chocolate color. Very nice. So it looks like we have a bit of a chop here for this next one. Get some color here. Oh, wow. I am loving the blonde on her. Beautiful shoulder length bob. Breathtaking. We have another layered style here. Very nice. Instant volume yet again. So it looks like for the next transformation, she's going to be getting some color done. Ooh, perfect shade of blonde here. Gorgeous dimension. And a lovely, sophisticated shoulder length bob cuts. And then we have another big chop transformation into a bob. Oh, I like the texture here. She can do a lot of wash and goes here. And then he does end up blowing the hair out, giving it that nice tousled texture. I love how thick her hair is. So pretty. This is kind of like a shaggy bob style. And then we have some more color. So it looks like they are going platinum here. Very popular color. We've been seeing platinum trending heavily, especially on TikTok. And it's funny because just when you think that platinum is going to be going out of style, it just keeps circling back. Like, everyone is still loving the platinum hair color. So here we have someone who went gray. Very nice. And silver gray is a very popular color as well. So next up, we have someone who has this gorgeous long curly hair, and she switches it up by going with a blonde bob. Ooh, look at her orange hair color. I am in love, obsessed with the color. So let's see what she wants to do here. She's got some beautiful hair. Hopefully she's not coloring it. Okay, it looks like she just kind of got a bit of a trim here and a nice blowout. Gorgeous. Her hair was already stunning. The color, the length. Perfect look for fall. So we're seeing a lot of red hues, ginger tones, coppers. And here we have someone who is red and also getting layered. I love this color as well. So pretty. Philip Wolf does a nice layered style here. Blowout. Mixes in some curls and voila. Beautiful flowing strands. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these fall and winter hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.